Hey, welcome back to JCZ Crafting Vlogs and more. And today we're going to look at my herb garden and see how we're doing, and then give you a quick update on things in the garden area, indoor gardening. Enjoy.
Hey guys, so here we are. We are about to clean the base, okay, and take a look and see what our herbs are doing. All right, and I'm so excited. Everything looks so good, y'all. Look at that. Our sisu is looking good. Our purple basil is looking good. Yes, everything looks so good. So we are on day 42. Today is November 24th. Our time, everything is looking so good. Even our back here, I haven't tried it yet, but I can't wait. Lemon balm. So this is our lemon balm back here. Looking good. Everything is growing so wonderful. And the leaves are sweaty a little bit. I guess that's normal. A little wet. I don't know if I wet it by mistake or not. And I had cut a piece for garnish of our Thai basil when I made the taco stir fry, veggie stir fry. It just smells so good. And then I used some of our thyme. Remember, if you watch my Jill's Comfort Zone channel. But everything is looking good. So let's look inside the vase and see what's going on. The base is still looking good. Really is, y'all. Not too much. This is the only thing with this is that you gotta screw this off to really clean everything. So I am gonna go ahead and clean in here, and this is what we're looking like here. So I want to rinse some of this off and everything. Okay, so this is what's going on here, and let me get started so I can clean this out. What's up, y'all? I'm in my garden. Okay, we need some herbs for our baked chicken. So, and I'm looking to cut it right, okay? I want it to be cut right. And as you can see, I have some support things here. This is mint. We don't need mint, but I do need some of my curly cheville, okay? So let's snip off some of this curly cheville. Okay. And get some of that. Some curly cheville. I've seen another piece, so let's go. And then our basil. And then I'm also getting some of our, I forgot what it's. Look, I'll remember in a minute. I also need some thyme over here, so we're gonna get some of our thyme. Some of our mint dropped off, y'all. It's alright. I don't need mint though, but I do need some of this thyme. So I am gonna snip off a few pieces of my thyme. Okay. Getting a little tangly. Okay. And then I'm gonna get some of our lemon balm. If because I haven't tried this either. Okay. So I'm going to get some of this fresh lemon balm. Yes, I am. Be here with y'all. But it's all good. We got what we needed. Our thyme, and then I need some basil. Okay. So with our basil is growing so much, y'all. It looks so divine. When I tell you that this basil is like on point, I don't want to clip no more right there. And I really don't want to snip the top because I've been watching videos of where to cut your basil from. And I am doing just that, you know, without snipping some of. And then when I tell you it smells so good when you start, you know what I'm saying, when you start pulling. But that's it, y'all. I'm gonna get a little bit more basil and then we could go cook. So this is our herbs we're doing. You can see here. Okay. It smells so good and beautiful. But I'm gonna get some more basil. Hey guys, I just did a huge harvest on my herb garden. It's clear now, I can see through, because Lord have mercy, I should have took a video of before because you could not see. Okay, and I can let the light back down. But yeah, I did a big, huge harvest. Okay, I'm about to show y'all. I'll be back. Look at the harvest, y'all. It's a lot going on. You got some thyme in here. Well, I didn't do the thyme yet. Curly Cheville, lemon balm, purple and Thai basil. What else I put in here? What else I got? Oh, and the sisu. The sisu down there. Wee. Now I'm gonna have to, oh, and some mint. So I'll let you see. I'm gonna separate it. This is my harvest for the lemon balm, purple, and Thai basil. Okay, I could have got some more basil, but look, I'm gonna leave it there for right now because I gotta figure out what to do with this, right? Here is my sisu. Okay, sisu. I'm gonna cook this, so I am gonna cut it up. All right, make some greens. So that's that. Then the mint is out of control, y'all. This is the mint. All the mint. Minty, minty, minty. Minty, minty. Yes, this is some more lemon balm though. But the rest of this is mint. Look at that. It smells so heavenly when you're cutting these herbs. And I didn't get a lot of the curly Cheville, but yeah, because the other plants are taking over, y'all. So I gotta do what I gotta do with these. And that's my harvest for the herbs. Lemon balm and mint, since they're in the same family. I stored them in the same container. I purchased this from Amazon. You just fill some water in there and they should last longer, up to 3 to 4 times longer in the fridge. All right, so there we go.
Thank you for watching. See you later.